Hey, welcome back. And today we are going to show you how to make Instant Boba version 2. Here we have the Bolle Boba Matcha Latte. If you haven't seen my first video, it was the O's Bubble brand. It was very good and I totally recommend it. And we picked up a second version which is called Bolle. And I did pick up the Bolle Tapioca Pearl that you can cook yourself too. And I did try these ones. They are very good. So this is a pretty good brand. And I want to see how the instant one will taste today. So let's check it out. Alright, this is the front of the packaging. This is the Bolle brand. And you can see it's the exact same brand as the Tapioca Pearl that we bought. We got the Matcha Latte flavor today, so we'll see how this one tastes. I do really like matcha. Chinese right here is Matcha Latte, 珍珠黑糖. So it basically translates to Matcha Latte Boba, brown sugar. Alright, so it's easy, do it yourself, DIY. It is made in Taiwan. The first thing I saw was it says 10 pack, but it's actually 5 servings. So there's 5 matcha latte powder packs, and then there's 5 brown sugar boba packs. And you're supposed to mix it together. So that's a little deceptive right here. It's actually 5 drinks, I'm pretty sure. Steps are very simple. Step 1, you microwave. Step 2, you stir it together. Step 3, add ice, and that's it. By the way, they do have different flavors. We got matcha latte today. They have the black tea latte, the taro latte, and also just the brown sugar pearl. Alright, so 4 flavors from them. Alright, here's the instructions for easy do-it-yourself. So what we're gonna do is step 1, we're gonna pour 5 ounces of water, add both the tea powder and the frozen boba into the microwavable cup. We're gonna stick it into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So this one's a little longer than the O's Bubble. O's Bubble, you can see they advertise it for 60 seconds, so it's a little bit longer. So we'll compare to see if the boba is chewier. Alright, so minute 30, step 2, remove from microwave, stir well until the tea powder is completely dissolved. Step 3, add some ice. I don't see that we need to put any milk, so compared to O's Bubble, so this one you do not need your own milk. Alright, let's open this up. Emperor Love Matcha Latte. So here's the matcha powder. Let's see what else I have in here. Just gonna dump it out. Alright, looks like these are the tapioca. They are frozen. TV Boba, interesting name. Made in Taiwan. So back, it's pretty hard, so maybe that's why we need to microwave it a little bit longer. Let's take a closer look at the matcha latte powder. Some more direction. You can serve it hot or cold. We're gonna do a cold ice drink today because it's pretty hot and I just worked out. Alright, let's give it a shot. Okay, we are gonna start with the tapioca. So here's the dotted line. We're gonna just put along here. It out. Alright, next we have the matcha latte. Okay, bigger hole this time. Alright, put it in, spring. wonder if it's real matcha powder. Probably not. Matcha powder are generally very expensive. You buy the real one, or the ones they use, they call it ceremonial matcha powder. Those are crazy expensive. 5 ounces of water. Here we go. Just gonna mix it up a little bit. This should be a little more even when I microwave it. Here we go. So, minute and 30 seconds. Let's go. Alright, it's done. I did put on a towel, just make sure it doesn't splatter. Ooh. Alright, it's very green. I can smell the matcha. We got our cup with ice. Let's hope we don't spill this. Ooh, nice. Alright, so one complaint, they didn't give you a boba straw. So for people that buy this one, you probably have to eat it with a spoon. Fortunately, I do have an extra one I grabbed from the boba store. So we do have a boba straw today to drink it. By the way, O's Bubble does include boba straw, so I do appreciate that. For Bolle, I would, if you guys are watching this video, you know, straws aren't too expensive, so just include a couple. Would be nice. Let's give this a try, though. So for the matcha, it's definitely on the more bitter side. It's not as sweet as the O's Bubble. The brown sugar I don't really taste for the boba. The boba is a little bit on the plain side. Definitely not my favorite, but it is soft, it is chewy. If I compare it to O's Bubble is more chewier. And I can smell the brown sugar if you are into that brown sugar boba. Yeah, it's just okay. So this brand was about $10 to $12, I kind of forgot. And for $12, you only get 5 drinks. It comes out to like, you know, $2 something per drink. So you might as well go on and buy your own freshly made one instead of doing it yourself. You know, I don't think I can recommend this one. If you guys do see this brand, the Instant Boba Pack from O's Bubble, I do highly recommend this one. They do come in a couple flavors as well, and it's just more fun. They do a better job on marketing. This one does seem a little bit old school, but if you guys wanted to give it a try, let me know which one is your favorite. I do like this one. If you guys haven't seen the video for the Instant Boba Pack for this one, make sure to check it out. I will include a link in the description below. So I'll get back to finishing this. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it, and we will see you next time.